Okay. So I did take a little trade here on the news showing this. We had an issue with Rhythmic. So I'm not so sure if I should trade Spade account or not. Let's see. 36, 78, fine. MES. We're going to be trading MES. Let's see. What just happened? This is what happened. We had a news when we dropped into this level. We dropped to 28. Let's mark that actually. $28. Yep. This is where we were. That's the open from yesterday, from 2 days ago. Okay, market. No, market's gonna open in 3 minutes. Top was 79. Yep. That's already taken yesterday. It was the top of yesterday. It was the bottom of yesterday. So, yeah. Let's see. 2 minutes to open. We have liquidity up to 67. Let me see what market's gonna do. I mean, we had a really bad read. Bad for the market. Non-farm employment changed to 272, expected 180. So market reacted negatively, dollar positively. We'll see. Let's watch this open. Okay. resurrection to
Taking a
downside.
look at the market on open imbalance, S&P 500, 230 million to the sell side, Nasdaq 100, 10 million to the sell side, Dow 30, 36 million to the sell side, and the Magnificent 7, 4 million to the sell side.
We're going down. They did buy it at bottom. Collected data from here. Collected, not data. Longs from here. Now we dipped. Let's see if this is just a dip. We're gonna push higher. Getting into this order block. 41. Also collected that. We have collected that liquidity. Here's a fair value gap, bullish one. Show me the numbers. 1000. So that's we just pulled into yesterday's low. See. Okay. Water block here. There's people covering. Just gonna wait for this. We do have liquidity down to 25. 25, we've been 29, so down here. We'll see. I'll wait for this liquidity to be taken. 37, 34, 37. Yeah, maybe here. 30. Here's this fair value gap. This could be because data was wrong for the market. We can slide down, trade to the bottom, and then maybe later we'll push into the highs. At the end of the day, we'll see. You can see street is selling. But big boys are selling as well. Some of them are buying. It's kind of a mixture here. Nine minutes from the open. Okay, looks like they want to push a bit high, but I don't believe in this buy this long. I do not believe in it. Could get up to 50. Trading on the view up.
Order submitted. Order
Yeah.
filled.
What I'm trading right now is this little bounce, but it has to work pretty fast for me. If it doesn't, then I'm out. Hmm. We might push. Should have waited a little bit. Oof. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. 43. Gonna take a loss on this. Okay, unless they just went there to grab that liquidity. And now we're gonna
Order
pull
filled.
lower. Once we took that top. It was like a what, 7 points push up. Really? Okay, get back down. Nice swing high. Let's get out from this. We can. Yeah. Okay. We'll probably go high. No, it looks like it's struggling a bit. Gonna get out
Order
here with
filled.
a loss of 50. Let's wait. I was hoping for a push somewhere here and then drop lower, but now looks like they decided to take that high. And we'll see. Looks like we could go down now. To be honest, a lot of liquidity up there, but we took that 15 minutes candle high. We can go high, I think. Dollar is pumping high and high and high. Well, let's wait. This can be taken 50, 60, 62, 65, up to 67. So here was this fair value gap. Thinking, to buy, but not a lot of liquidity here.
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get US wholesale inventories month over month. Forecast 0.2% on the prior 0.2%, and US wholesale sales month over month. Forecast 0.5% on the prior minus 1.3%.
Buy the dip situation. Yeah. This market is going against dollar. Look at dollar. Okay. 12 points up. Well, at least rhythmic, we know rhythmic is working now, so it's good. So we're entering this area. I think we're just gonna push up here anyway. 67 is waiting. 65. Seven more minutes. So yeah, we did open. What was the open? 50 to 50. 50 to 50. That's the open.
So in 5 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, see the release of the US wholesale inventories month-over-month revised. Forecast 0 spot 2% on the prior 0 spot 2%, and the wholesale sales month-over-month forecast
Let's see if
0
we can
spot
get to
5%
50.
on the prior minus 1 spot 3%.
So they're done with this drop.
Do you want to stay
They
up to date with
pull the
latest
market, they
and
grab the
leading
liquidity
reviews
from
of
here.
non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today
We might
and
get
our
down here.
special offer of Financial
50.
News Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
And we have 4 minutes. Then we can just push up. That's what I think we're gonna do. We'll go through that and start pumping. A lot of people shorting this because they saw that news. Market pulled down. Now they see higher prices and they're like, oh, I'm gonna short this. I shorted it as well. It took me higher. I don't see liquidity below here. 45, 47 is like the cheapest price that we could go. We could go to 47. Switch to NQ. Yeah, I think 3 more minutes. Bit of selling on a big boy side. Two minutes. Nvidia dropped, but it's picking itself up now. That's Nvidia. So I think got 2 minutes.
One minute remaining for US data. I'll leave with the wholesale inventories month over month revised.
Okay,
Order
I'm gonna go
submitted.
long. Where's my order?
Order filled.
Let's see. I'm thinking quick, fast push through that 59 into
10 seconds.
60, 65. This is where the liquidity is. A lot of short people there.
0.1%, 0.1%, lower than forecast 0.2%. Wholesale sales month over month at 0.1%, 0.1% as well, lower than forecast 0.5%.
Yeah, and take all the shorts up to 65. Mm-hmm.
Order submitted.
Get in.
Order submitted.
We have posted out the US
I'm gonna
wholesale
sell
inventories
free.
April report
Order
on the feed for
submitted.
Once
anybody
we push for
interested.
that. Hmm. Push. That's 16.
Order canceled.
Okay. Come on. No, just continue. Just continue. This is the moment when you should just keep pushing. Push, push, push. Am I gonna be stopped here? Need to give a little space. Because we can get a nice push. Nice squeeze. Let's go.
Order filled.
Stopped.
Order
What was
filled.
that? I didn't. God, I hate this. Oh, just
Order
be long.
filled.
I have to be long in this thing. Let's go.
In 10 minutes' time now, at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from ECB's President Lagarde. He gives a speech at the Foundation Maurice Allais in Paris.
Order filled.
We get a pullback to 52. Buyers coming in. Okay, now we took that 15 minutes candle high. Let's see if we're gonna get the pullback to 55.
Russia's Novak
52
says oil
maybe even.
supply should be increased in order to ensure balance.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Order
I think this
filled.
is just gonna push now. Just basically squeeze. Whoops, why I have only one?
Order submitted.
I need three.
Novak says oil demand will rise
Let's
by
go
more
up.
than 1 million barrels per day each year in the next 10 years.
No. Okay. A little pullback. Hopefully we're just gonna bump through the 60 now. Squeeze. Go. Because I think they want to take that up here. 69. 65. Let's go. looking decent. Let's push for this now. 60 towards 62. And then go to 65. They're pegging it now. That's good.
So shortly expecting comments from
Should get a
ECB
squeeze
President
now.
Lagarde. Just under 1 minute's time now.
$788 delta on that. Big boys are switching into green. Street is still short. Everything is looking promising.
Order
Gonna add
filled.
here. Let's squeeze.
The dollar extending gains, hitting 157 against the yen. That's last up
Come on,
0.9%.
squeeze.
They're currently on track for its biggest daily percentage rise since late April.
They did take that 15 minutes. Squeeze to the 62 at least. Let's go up. Now, push through it. Let's go. A lot of shorts here. A lot of shorts. Let's go, baby. Squeeze. Squeeze the shorts. Yeah.
Order submitted.
Try close one here.
Order canceled.
Stop loss in the second one.
Order order cancelled.
Takes time. Let's squeeze. We should get to 65. You know, it's gonna take a bit of.
So we have posted our ECB's Lagarde's full speech on the feed for anyone interested. There doesn't seem to be many mentions of monetary policy in here.
Yeah. 65 should be traded. Could get to 60.
Order submitted.
Just gonna buy one more. If we do.
Order cancelled.
Should continue higher, to be honest, on that push, on this momentum, build on this momentum, basically. Yeah. 65 up to 67. Technically speaking, what is it? 65, 66, 65, 75. This is what I would like to sell. Push into the 66 pretty much. This is where stops are. Let's see. We'll see how deep this is gonna go. I'm gonna end
Order
here.
filled.
And now we should get like a nice squeeze. A little sit, a little squat to jump higher. To 65.
Order cancelled.
Just closed one. Into this high. They are pegging it. Nice. More liquidity added. To squeeze through this for 65. I mean, like, imagine you are short from, what was that? Like, you were shorting here like me. I was shorting this, hoping for a drop. You're gonna be taken up here. I mean, the high is there, but that's the target. It's definitely target. $68 even. We'll see. Okay, this is where they're going actually. Sorry, 66. That's where they're going, really. To squeeze through this. That's the close. That's the high, but that's the close. Yesterday's close on RTH, so that's pretty much where they want to go. To sell. Which is 66, right? $66, so we're gonna sell at 65.50. Five more minutes. Till period B closes. Yeah. Stop loss here. 4 minutes. They could pull the market down again, but because they've done it already here, I'm thinking they're gonna go and do this now, I think. Maybe not. I have to give space. Give space. Mm. Alright, so that was that little clearance of the week longs. 2 minutes, and now I should get a push. Either 65. Let's go. 28 seconds. Come on, let's go. 12 seconds. Let's go up. No way. Yeah, the reward is at 65 and above 66. This is where market should push into to sell, but obviously we can pull lower before that. So 62 is really hard to crack, but yeah, that looks like they're gonna help it by pegging. 62 is selling, such very difficult to crack. 62 and a half. 61.75 fighting.
Order filled.
Unfortunately, I can't hold this. All right. Okay. It's gonna go now. I already got the 10 days. Got the required money on the account, 36 account, to be able to pull the market. Actually close this. Flow about MES. We're just gonna trade 37 now and 38. MES. And on this one we can trade 96. That's evaluation. All right. Nice 443. $66.
Order submitted. Order
Let's see if we
submitted.
can get a squeeze now to this 65, 70 something. After all that manipulation. We have liquidity up to 67. Okay, well 66, let's say. Let's hold this to 66.
Order filled.
Gonna add here. Boom.
Target filled.
Boom, boom, boom. Alright, why is this still showing me? Okay. We can descend, so we got that push into 66. $200 on each up. Pretty happy with that. And,
Kyoto reports that Japan is to extend gasoline subsidies beyond summer.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
okay. Pretty happy with this trade. Here we go. You see what happens. Dollar pushing up. Market still going up. It's all about liquidity. They had to fix this. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I got 96. The one I need to pass. So I will try to look at this thing. Whew. Got somebody selling 50. Interesting. There's a lot of stop losses popping through this level. Through this level and that level. 68 and here was a 66. Well, you know. Look at that. Big boys, 1000. Woo. Selling. Okay, now we are selling into
Order filled.
yesterday's. Which one are we trading? 96, correct. There will be some sort of reaction on that level. Forgot about this thing here. That we made that spike. But it's okay. That's alright. What a crazy push. Should be some sort of reaction of this level to the downside. 75 is loading shorts. No reaction on this level yet. Interesting. But should be. 73, 75. What else is here? Up to 80. Okay, I can see that. Overnight low, overnight high. High. 2000, this candlestick is 2000, that's a big number. That's the reason. So people who were short or shorting from open, they gave back basically in this push. They lost hope and they had to close. So all of that is imbalance. Once they sold into yesterday's high, possibly we can go to 80. And after that, we can think about shorting this again. But my short is not. It's a bit too early. Okay, but I can see if somebody's already selling. No, I'm not gonna add anything. My ad can be somewhere here at 80. If we get there. Oh, I'm gonna get out earlier. Taking a loss here. Let's see.
US indexes turned positive. It's the S&P up 0.2%, Nasdaq up 0.1%, Dow is outperforming, up 0.5%.
Okay, so they're holding it. Nasdaq is about to break that high as well. Hmm. I think I'm gonna take that loss. Let's see what Nasdaq's gonna do once it reaches. Okay, we have to add here. Let's see.
Putin says there is no case for nuclear weapon deployment, but says I don't rule out changes in our nuclear
Order
doctrine.
submitted.
I'm waiting for Nasdaq to take that yesterday's high. Almost did it. Yep. Come on. Okay, I think Nasdaq has sold. Yes. Nasdaq sold. Into yesterday's high. Well, I didn't get that. Thought we were gonna get a little bit more. It's alright.
Order cancelled.
Would be break even here if I enter the trade over there. So what just happened? We had the news, we dropped lower, we collected a lot of liquidity down here, and we just sold into all-time highs pretty much, because that's what it is right now. There's a gap. I might get to fix it, so we'll try to get it. Okay.
Order filled.
Let's just take the $25 loss. So here's the fair value graph. Got it from this. But I should have added him. I will be making money. Anyway. 7 minutes. I'll quickly have a look here. Nasdaq did push into yesterday's high. This is RTH. This is RTH. ES has done the same thing. So basically, do I feel comfortable buying this here? No. The answer is no. All-time highs. I don't want to be that idiot who's buying the top of the day. We do have liquidity up to 85, but well, I think I'm pretty happy with today trading pretty much $600 on paid accounts, minus 25 on evil account. And this evil account has got I need $600 to pass it. Do I need to pass it today? I mean, Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia hasn't done much. A little blip. And that's it. So, I don't know. It does look like we could get down there. $67, $68. Let's see what they're gonna do next time we get to overnight highs. This push was just 3/4. Yeah, but the main sale was into that. So all that morning activity was all about selling it into here. And look at that. Pulling down. 68. So yeah, you have to sell these levels. Sell one here, sell the other one here. You can cover. You're gonna make some money. Look at that. Also, they didn't know what the news was. Market dropped. They bought the bottom. They drove the market up. They sold into this liquidity. Sold into all-time yesterday's high. And they made money. They market makers. If you don't know what I'm referring to. That's the fair value gap here, bullish one. We have another one here. Here's one. We pretty much closed it. Here's another one. So what happened with the liquidity at 80? Disappeared. What to do? Give me a replicanto. $97 and $98. Let's see if we can. Look at that. Street is short. 18, 67, 13 points drop into this fair value gap. 67 wants to buy. We had some buyers on the way down, right? We're going down. We had some buyers. Okay. Big boys are still holding it. Let me see what they're gonna do. Okay, so they were 1,700. Let's remember that. This was minus 2000. Let's see what they're gonna do here. We get down to 65 into this order block. I'm gonna buy this here.
Order submitted.
64. What am I buying? Sorry, that's not the
Order
account.
canceled.
I want to trade live account.
Order submitted. Order
Actually,
submitted.
to buy a different place, but it's alright. Fiddling too much with this. Yeah. Okay, now. Too early. I should get some kind of response from him. Let's go. No. A bit too early. That's why I wanted to move my entry a bit lower, but didn't allow me. It was too late. Let's see, this might work actually. This may work. Yeah. I can push this into 70. Somewhere. Somewhere here. See that? Somebody just came. Still selling, but — 77 even. It's nice. Yeah, but we can also get a drop to 60. So that's the problem. And now you look at this. Short from here. That was a good short, right? That was a really, really good short. Now we have a bit of trapped shorts from here, from this area. They're gonna be buying. Should get a little push to the 70s. That's a good entry. Somewhere here. I am 4 points too high. Well, is this gonna pull lower now? Okay. Let them pull a bit lower. And I'm
Order
getting
submitted. Order submit. Order filled.
now we should pump higher. Reaction of the view up. Wow. Now they want to play this data. Now they want to play that data. We should get some reaction right now here. That's a 20 points drop without pullback. So wow. Street is very short, minus 2000. Big boys. They're kind of holding it. Not selling as well. That's good. That's not good. That is not good at all. Okay, so they have collected at 15 minutes.
Natural gas futures extend gains. Prices at the highest since January this year.
$65 possible. Well, they are pushing it down. So the moment I see a little bit better, less loss, I'm gonna close that. Let's see if we can get a push somewhere. 65 should be possible. Come on, it does look scary, but it's good. That looks scary. Everybody's shorting it now. Okay, now they sold it. Yeah, so that's what they've done. What I was thinking they're gonna do. They sold it, and now they're playing the date. Yeah, I'm not gonna overstay my welcome. If I see any kind of a lot of people shorting this. Well, street is very short as well, minus 2,000. So now they took the 15-minute candle. Okay, now they took that 15 minutes. So there's a hope we're gonna push higher. Yeah. All right, I think now we're gonna go up. Let's see. But do I want to hold above? They grabbed that 15 minutes candle. See, they took that liquidity. I think we're just gonna pump high now. It's deeper retracement. Now we're gonna pump to 65, I think. Somewhere here, 64, 65, we should get there. Yeah, at this point, no reason to go lower. Got 2 more minutes on this candle. Cluster of buyers. $62.5. Let's see if we're gonna push. Even if they want to go lower, they still want to load shorts. They would like to load some shorts, so they're gonna have to push this higher. Even to 70, maybe even 77. I mean 75, something like that. So I'm gonna get out the moment it goes into my entry, because my entry is really bad. So I'm not gonna hold this for crazy push somewhere there. It's the 65, should we trade it? Liquidity is there. Greed. Now it's 57, wait. Well, could have gone up. Look at that. Mistake. Okay. Now we can
Canadian
get that
dollar
65.
weakens to a near 1 month low at 1.3747 per dollar. Just noting the dollar extending gains as the Dixie up around 0.8%. S&P 500 back around flat on the session now, just down slightly.
There was a place that I could just get out, and I didn't. But doesn't mean we're gonna go lower at this moment. Still 9 minutes. Most likely, market will try to push. There's a lot of people shorting this right now. A lot of shorts here. So they will try to take them out. So we should get that push for 62.5. We should get that push for 62.5 before we dump lower. Street is very short, minus 3,000. So got 8 more minutes, and most likely we should just push now to take all the shorts out, and then we can dump it. So with that push, we'll be able to get out. Squeeze now.
Order filled.
I'm out. Anyway, so break-even trade. Really, really bad trade. But anyway, first the entry was too high. I wanted to enter here. I'll probably take profit. Second entry wasn't that bad, but so got 7 more minutes. First leg, second leg. They're trying to push higher now. Fair value gap here, bullish. Somebody's selling this, so let's go
Order
short.
submitted.
If market did this, what it's supposed to do, I mean, pushed to take everybody out. Now we should pull lower and take that low. We'll see. 877. Somebody's waiting. 77. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. 5 more minutes. I can go and grab these longs now. Shorts are out with this push. Not much liquidity down here, to be honest. So that's kind of worried. But let's see if the trick works. Somebody's stepping in and trying to buy that. approaching lunchtime area, which means I have to stop trading. And I will stop trading soon. I think this is my last trade. Now you look at this, like, oh shit, why I didn't keep this longer? At least to 45, 44. That would be nice. It's alright. A 15 minutes candle is up here. Technically speaking, they could get up there to 69. But if we're playing the longer run, it's the open, we could get down there and grab everything. Let's go and grab that at least. That's a lot of liquidity here. So here we got liquidity. Let's see if we can pull and grab all of that and start buying lower. There's no point to squeeze this higher right now, in my opinion. Got 2 more minutes to get and grab that liquidity at the bottom.
Port set at 19.19 million barrels in July
Yeah.
versus 18.4 million barrels in June, according to a schedule.
I like that. $57 waiting. Let's just try to grab this. At least now. One minute. This could also be a pullback for a push into the highs, so I have to be careful here. Yeah. Okay, I got full hour. Yeah, I'm wrong. I think I'm wrong. Unless they just pulled it. One little push. I'm wrong. I'm wrong right now. They got me. A lot of selling. $67, $28, $10. That's a lot of selling. Where's this 15 minutes candle? 15 minutes candle is here, right? Yeah. Alright, so we got to this 15 minutes candle.
A Europe stock
Mm,
600
roof
down
top is
around
to-
0.2%.
Okay, so they did sell into the 15 minutes candle. Let's see if they're gonna pull this right now to the bottom. Big boys are still short, minus 2,000. Set this thing to see what they're doing. They're buying. There's the gap. Let's try to add
Order
here.
submitted.
Okay, sold into the 15 minutes. Dollar is still holding high. And I was long from here. And now I'm short. Well, at least we have liquidity down here. We can go and grab. And down here. To collect everything. They did take a lot with this drop. So I don't know. Big boys are buying, street is selling. So I'm on the wrong side of the street. Hmm. Now it looks like we could go lower. This could actually work. This could actually work. There you go. Yes. I think we're gonna go to the 60. And below. So this whole thing was just to load the shorts. Come on. Continue lower. Drop it. Come on, drop it. Take these longs. Oh, yeah. God damn it. Drop.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Probably it's gonna continue. So they did sell into this 15 and that was worth to hold this. But I still took a loss on that. Could have taken some profit. But I still think once we push a bit higher to the 70 again. Got a bit of liquidity up here. Not sure what to do, to be honest. Could get this drop down here to grab that. Nvidia staying in the same place, not moving much. Dollar's pushing higher. Um, hmm. It's gonna go now to the 60. Yes. So today I managed to do 10 days on this account and 53, 550 on it. So I'm gonna be requesting payout. Slowly trading these two. It's the second and third day. These two. This account will be excluded from trading now till I get paid. I don't want to get into trouble with that. Yeah. So I think they're gonna go and grab that liquidity 60. 52 even. Yeah, it wasn't great trading. I mean, we got long here, we got long there. I mean, I got short here, which is okay. Didn't work. Should have added in here close. Because there's always reaction of this kind of levels. Not of this one, then on this one. Then we got too early. I wanted to get in here, but didn't have enough time to move my entry. And this candle was already like 900. If we got in here, I'll probably close for 3 points. It would be $150. Then I could have waited for that liquidity sweep here. But to be honest, better than looking at candlesticks, like when you look at volume, look at that. See that's the chunk of the volume that they want. So they went and took it. So we kept that long. We got out here pretty much break even. Started to short. Got out there. It's just, yeah, not great trading. A bit confused. I trade much better from the open than during these hours. At lunchtime, we're approaching lunchtime right now. It's 11:46 New York. It's just bit confusing. The only good part of lunchtime is like if we're gonna hold now this range 60, somebody's waiting 60, so at some point we might get a dip into that.
Dollar CAD rises 0.7% to
This is
1.3759, the
so
highest since
this has
May
been
the 8th.
taken already. 60, yeah, 60 is here. So if we have that range over here, I mean, for now it's just this, but we're gonna dip into this fair value gap at some point. This is what the 60 is, right? 61. Yeah, once we take the liquidity and start to come back. Oh, look at it, 46 on sell. 65, 75, 65, 75. Somebody sold here, 46 contracts. Three trades wrong. This one wrong. This too early. And I still managed kind of to get out break even. Not break even, but I lost $80 on that. All three positions. But completely wrong. 3 times wrong. With this DCA rule on Apex, I could have added in here one. Not a problem. You can add once. Should have done that. And I was actually holding one position here, I think. I thought we might get a little bit more. We didn't. Nasdaq did sell into that high. He has sold as well. Not sure where Nasdaq. Okay, so this is overnight high on Nasdaq. Just make it blue so we know it's at night. And here we sold into overnight as well. Oh yes, Russell is not looking too happy. Look at that. Dollar is still pushing higher. I don't know.
According to a program, BTC Azeri light crude loading set at 619,000 barrels per day in July.
This is just lunch job. It's pretty much it for today. I'm ending up, what is it, 200 and 142 and 146. It's like, what is it?
So just keep in mind, in 10
$500.
minutes' time at the top of the hour, Fed's Cook is slated to be speaking. So they're not due to be speaking on monetary policy or the economic outlook, as this is the Fed blackout period.
There's no
Fed is
point for
outside of
me
the jurisdiction at the moment.
to trade
But again,
into lunch.
Fed's Cook is slated to speak in 10 minutes'
When I
time.
could
Just not expecting any monetary policy talk from her.
catch something of that 72 level, if we get there, and try to grab that 15-minute candle top, then yes, we can sell into that and hold it till we get into this level. But we need to get there first. I'm afraid we're just gonna chop around 3 points, 3 points down. This kind of straight is long, only 50, but it's long. Big boys are down now since my reset. They have been down, kind of. They have been down. So I'll be okay. Try to catch this 70 level. 7 more minutes. Yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen at 4 hour. Big boys, -121. They're not really buying anything. So I really regret this missed entry. That would have been a beautiful AA silver bullet trade, pretty much. That's a classic. We had a really good entry here on this fair value gap. So I missed that because I was already short here way too early. Four minutes and we'll see if we're gonna do anything. Just leave it. be a Judas swing before the drop. Should we try?
Order submitted.
Let's try. See. And now I can just pull it down. Again, not the best entry. Should have thought about it earlier. Should have got in here. But I'm thinking Judas swing, and I'm gonna pull this down now. No reason to push this higher at the moment. It's lunchtime. It's better to go and grab that liquidity here. Much better. Two minutes. So how lunchtime behaves. You jump on the long, you think we're gonna go up, and they pull you down. Do you have time? You can fool around here. A lot of people were jumping on this long now. 944 delta. So hopefully they will pull it down to grab the liquidity. Technically speaking, they should pull it down here. 64. We'll see. Right now, liquidity is here. 1 minute. Lunchtime trading. Everything is upside down. Following the trend doesn't work at lunchtime, during the lunchtime trading. It's just basically sick and destroyed situation.
As expected,
This is how they
Fed did
behave
not
during the
comment on
lunch.
monetary policy or the economic outlook in their commencement address.
See that? And I'll take this somewhere to the bottom, but not too deep.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year. for
Somewhere
our
here.
Real-time service.
Grab all this longs to make them pay. Technically speaking, even down here to 62, but do I want to hold this? Not sure. Now you're long, you're thinking like, why it didn't go up? It was a beautiful candlestick. It was a beautiful candlestick. I don't know, let's see how far we're gonna go. Because they don't need to go up there and sell. They have time now. This is lunch. Computers are trading. Yeah. And now long select. Oh shit, I'm closing. Let's see if they're gonna pull it to 64. Alright,
Order
let's
filled.
take it. Well, 255. Looking better now.
JP Morgan changes their first Fed rate cut view to November from July.
Let's see how they're gonna take these longs. So people jumped on that candle, right? Hoping for this high. So they pulled it. If I had two, I would close one, could hold the other one, but well, that is lunchtime trading. Everything's upside down. Now you wanna go short. You go. We're just gonna trade in between for a while. Till the next period. Okay guys, 500, 700. 3-bet trades here. But we managed to get out break even almost on all of it with $80 loss, and then we took some profit here. Was it 85? Yeah, like 2.5 points. So don't get greedy. This hold will have worked. It has worked, and I knew once we took that 15 minutes candle and this liquidity, I was like, okay, we're gonna bounce here. We're gonna bounce. A lot of people went short below this view up. There was a view up. We were basically sitting under this view up here. A lot of people went short here. And they started to build a position here and they pushed. I got out pretty break even here. Could have gone out here, break even, and we buy just one. So same story here. Could have gone break even. Got out here. Look at that. Now you go short, they take you up. The only good thing lunchtime is the moment they breach this or that, they will come back into this balance. Most likely they're gonna do it, not every day. They do that all the time. But I'm done for the day, guys. 10 days. I will be requesting payout in the next payout period, which is 15 to 20 of May. And I should get accepted because I've been trading it well. 56 account. We are slowly now building these two. And we took a little loss on this valuation card, one for 196. That's okay. $25. Everything is looking good. It's Friday. Weekend in front of us. Enjoy. This is Trap Trader from London. Don't get trapped, because I will be sitting on the other side of your trade when you do. So take it easy. Bye.